What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today I will be having a conversation with these two phones. Now here in my left hand is my favorite phone and the one that I've been using for almost a year now, and this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is my new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Here's the two boxes right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold a nice normal civil conversation with the AI programs on both phones. Let us see which phone fares well. My objective today is to have a normal conversation with these two phones, asking various questions and try to have a normal interaction. Now my aim is to find out if snow is gonna fall either Friday or Saturday or any day in the week. So let us dive straight into it. Hey Siri, what's your name?
I'm Siri. Pleased to meet you.
Hey Google, what's your name?
My name is Siri. That's my whole name.
I'm Gemini, an AI from Google. Would you like to know more about what I can do for you?
Hold on, let me turn up this a little bit more so you can hear. Now guys, as you can see off the bat, Siri is listening for me to continue the conversation, while for Google you have to keep saying Google, hey Google, or something. But let us dive straight into it. Hey Siri, what the weather is like today?
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch. Expect partly cloudy skies today. The high temperature will be 8 degrees and low will be -3.
When will we see a little bit of snow? I guess she don't hear me. Hey Siri, when will we see some snow?
There's no snow in the forecast today.
What about Friday?
Yes, it's going to snow tomorrow.
What about Saturday?
It sure looks like snow on Saturday.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about Saturday's forecast? I guess she don't want to talk right there, so let us go straight to Google. Hey Google, when will we see a little bit of snow?
Although there's only a low chance of snow in New York today, there's a good chance of snow tomorrow from around 6 p.m. until the day after tomorrow around 6 a.m.
So can you tell... Hey Google, can you tell me if I can travel Saturday?
Travel on Saturday will be difficult, especially in the morning. A winter storm will bring 3 to 6 inches of snow to New York City, tapering off by 10 a.m. Travel outlook. Roads. Significant delays and hazardous, slippery conditions are expected early Saturday. Airports, JFK and LaGuardia, anticipate flight delays or cancellations. Check your airline status before leaving. Mass Transit, Port Authority and the MTA may operate on modified schedules or experience weather-related slowdowns. Conditions should gradually improve by Saturday afternoon once the snow ends and temperatures begin to rise. Would you like me to look up the latest flight status or subway service alerts for Saturday?
No. Hey Siri, can you tell me if it is safe to travel Saturday?
I can use ChatGPT to answer that. You can enable ChatGPT on your iPhone.
Okay.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Okay, again.
ChatGPT asks, travel safety on Saturday, December 27th, 2025, depends on your location and destination. In the U.S., a significant snowstorm is expected in New York City, potentially causing hazardous conditions. Internationally, countries like Mauritius have raised advisories due to increased crime rates.
Okay, Siri, I don't want to
It's
hear about.
advisable to check
Hey,
local
Siri.
advisories and weather forecasts for your specific travel plans.
Why Siri didn't be specific to where I live? Like, okay, Siri, thank you.
You're
No.
welcome. Safe travels and happy holidays. That was from ChatGPT. Check important info for mistakes.
Okay, so you advertise for my phone. Alright. Hey Siri, do you know anything about Gemini?
Here's an answer from GaneshAspeaks.com and other websites.
Are you not reading it for me, right? Okay. Hey Gemini. Oh, hey Google. Do you know anything about Siri?
Siri is Apple's virtual assistant first introduced on the iPhone 4S in 2011. It uses voice recognition and natural language processing to help you send messages, set reminders, and control smart home devices. Recently, Apple has been overhauling it with Apple Intelligence, introducing a new design and better handling of conversational stumbles. While some advanced features like full-on screen awareness and deep app control have faced delays in 2025, the assistant is moving toward becoming a more personalized, LLM-backed Siri 2.0. Would you like to know which devices support the latest Apple Intelligence features?
Okay. Okay. Hey Siri, which AI is the best AI?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Like, you're dumb. That's why you're not gonna understand. But you know, I've been having a lot of conversation with my Siri. Like, we always fight and cuss. So if you hear me like saying those things to my Siri, that's how we communicate, right? It's called tough love. So guys, there you have it. Having a conversation between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Tell me what you think about the conversation. Like, my point of view is that hey Google, why is it that your name is Gemini and I have to keep saying hey Google all the time to activate Gemini?
Hey Google is the wake word used to activate the hardware or operating system. Gemini is the name of the specific AI personality and model processing your requests. Would you like to know how to change your assistant settings?
Oh. Cool. Okay. Hey Google, why don't I say hey Gemini, or just call Gemini and then it will activate whatever I want to do? It's checking. Okay guys, there you have it. Having a conversation with these two powerful devices, you can see off the bat that Siri is very interactive. However, it is limited to certain features, while the Gemini AI tends to search and try to give you the correct answer no matter what. Like, it will never say I don't understand, like how Siri would just straight up say I don't understand, in which if you do not understand, I really appreciate you telling me that you don't understand, other than to go and to try to dig up information that is not necessary to the question that asked. But guys, tell me what you think. That's just a simple conversation between these two devices and which is the best result. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, enjoy it, have a great weekend, and happy holidays.